So what is up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, most of you guys actually DM'd me on Instagram and asked that should we buy an Apple Watch. Okay, most of the guys nowadays are interested in smartwatches or any gadget which takes the care of your health. For example, like the ECG, the heart rate monitoring, and just basically everything, just how many steps you have walked, like how many floors you have gone, and just every single record of your health or your daily routine. There should be a device. Smartphone is limited. That's a pretty big device, and that's not at all built for just heart monitoring or any other type of activity. There should be a special dedicated machine towards it. So guys, just Apple Watch is like the best leading smartwatch in this category. Any smartwatch on the planet, just from 2014, Apple Watch is only considered as the best smartwatch on the planet. So in today's video I'm going to be telling you, like, is Apple Watch really worth it? Okay, there are hundreds and thousands of videos on YouTube that tell like the specification, the features, and just everything. But in today's video I'm going to be giving you my personal opinion that in which fields it is great and it performs really great. So without any further ado, let's get started. So well, the number one factor, as you can see, it has a nice display. I have with me a 38mm model, and still it might be a little small for most of you guys, but for me it definitely does its job pretty well. Again, like, it has a thing called as it measures your blood pressure, so it's pretty accurate obviously, and it definitely performs way better. It's not the heart rate or any other functions like the ECG, and for the ECG you have to get the series 4 model, and the earlier ones just support the heart rate monitoring. But I would suggest, like, everywhere you can see, if I'm like, just go on any application, the news app or the nice pedometer. I like of this app, the sports app, where you can actually count, like, bicycling, you go for cycling, you go for outdoor run, indoor cycle, and just basically there are all of the different types of exercises which you guys perform on your daily basis. So you can set your goal as per this, and all of the data which actually is collected by this Apple Watch is actually showed and stored in your iPhone's health application. So it's definitely one of the greatest features that you get. And one thing I definitely like is, any call comes to you, it is also accepted on your Apple Watch. Just everything you can do on Apple Watch except like any camera stuff. But I would just suggest that this is one of the greatest watches to go for. And Apple Watch is not actually the product like that will get outdated or it will lose its support, because still you take any generation Apple Watch, there is any difference seen. Again, the series 4 has beautiful display and just everything, but again, for a watch I don't think that you're going to be paying a lot of attention towards it. And I still really love my 38mm Apple Watch, and as you can see, I'm rocking here on my Apple Watch, I'm rocking a nice Steel Menelys loop by Apple. So it's not actually by Apple app, it is of a third-party company which I got out of Walmart in United States, and it definitely is a great belt. This was a standard sports model. I really didn't like that belt. I used it, it was very nice, comfortable, but that looked like a different watch. So just getting a nice stainless steel belt really makes you feel and appreciate the quality. And overall, I will tell you guys, this is definitely one of the leading smartwatches in its category, and you will have no problem buying it. It just depends upon what is your budget and how much money you like to spend on it. So hope you liked today's video. In today's video I just showed you or told you my personal frank opinion that should you buy the Apple Watch if you have an iPhone, and well, my answer is if you can afford that, and again, like, if you think it is really essential and you want to cope up with the technology, definitely you can have the Apple Watch. So thanks for watching, stay tuned for more videos, and peace.